Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This video is about how to straighten up a photo. I just took this photo and drastically made it off center or not level. This is pretty cool and pretty easy. Take a 2-point line and just draw from that corner, holding down the control. I guess if I got a 2-point line, it would help. Go from that corner and hold down the control button. So that's level. Now, take that line and double click on it and move the rotation to that node. And then rotate this line to the edge of the picture. And we have 348.01. Okay. The easiest way for me to do math is go up here, take the picture now and go 360 minus 348.01. And then enter. And look at that. Now, your picture is still lopsided, but if this was your subject, then you could make a frame of that and use the intersect tool. And of course, it would be better if it wasn't so drastically turned. But look at that. Now that picture, when hit F4 on the keyboard, now that picture is even with the picture. Now this isn't the best scenario, but I didn't have any pictures that were a little bit catawampus. That's a pretty cool trick. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.